Well, Matt, have you ever YouTubed early celebration fails?
I have not. No.
Oh my God. Well, do I recommend doing that tonight? It's quite entertaining, although we might be having one right now around us. We rallied after a gridlock Congress, and now we're kind of mixed today. So what does this tell you?
I will tell you, this is impressive. After yesterday's rally, after the Jeff Sessions news, and all the stuff that we heard last night about how that's going to influence the Democrats and how they view Trump and what they're going to do, that's an embattled group right now. So to see the market rally again today or be flat, that's certainly a positive sign. We took out some important levels yesterday in the 200-day moving averages, and we broke through them substantially. So that's a good sign as well, that maybe we can take out new highs as we close out the year.
Was that investors believing that Trump can continue to pursue his course of action?
I think so, and believe it or not, this gridlock is maybe not going to be as bad because now there's at least controlled, and you're not worried about the midterm elections now. Maybe they can actually get some stuff done, have some substantive discussions, which would be great if we could have that. Maybe infrastructure now becomes more in play, and which was the second part of Trump's proposal when he became president. Now that we know we need it, and you don't have to fight for votes, we can actually get something done.
I'm sure Trump is really happy about, maybe not some investors, but is really happy about what we're seeing with oil. It's now in bearish territory. Why would a company like Chevron be up today?
Well, I think there's some, again, where you are in the lower end of the channel of oil, if we have the OPEC meeting and Russia and Saudi Arabia do production cuts, maybe that's why you could see oil bounce a little bit. And, those oil sector has been kind of under a lot of pressure this year. It hasn't been a stellar performer. So maybe you get some people at the end of the year saying, you know what, I'm going to buy some of this risk, and maybe there's a reward at the end of the table.
Historically speaking, we've done pretty well after midterms. Do you like to use history as a nice prediction of what's to come?
Wow, and it's 18 for 18. Yeah, you certainly would. If you look back in the last 18 midterm election cycles, the year after, the market has performed very well. So that's one trend that you want to take. Now, everyone will say this is a different president, and yes, it is. But the market gave you a pretty good indicator that we may have been oversold on some belief that maybe the Democrats would have taken the Senate too, and that would have changed everything, and that didn't happen. So the market responded, very well yesterday.
Are you still watching those cannabis stocks now?
Oh, wow. Yesterday when Sessions got removed, they took off, and today they've, retraced half those gains. So if you're certainly a trend trader or a timing trader, momentum trader, there's certainly stuff to look at there as far as volatility goes. And just a news headline like that, to see them take off was, wow.
Yeah, that was quite a session.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Well, thank you so
Sure. I don't know what you call today then, but that's pretty good.
I don't either. Well, anyway, Matt, we love having you on Thursday. Have an awesome weekend.
All right, you too.